Get ready to embark on an otherworldly journey that will leave you awestruck. Discover the red planet like never before with our mind-blowing compilation of Pictures Mars Rover, 12 insane new images. From breathtaking landscapes to close-up encounters with alien terrains, these extraordinary snapshots captured by the Mars rover will transport you millions of miles away and immerse you in the captivating mysteries of Mars. Buckle up for a visual odyssey that redefines exploration. Are you ready to witness the future of interplanetary discovery? In the year 2003, NASA initiated the launch of the inaugural Mars Exploration Rover, christened Spirit. Following Spirit's mission, subsequent rovers followed, each with substantial modifications and distinct objectives, all united under the overarching ambition of uncovering the mysteries of Mars. This will ensure you are promptly informed about the latest developments concerning the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA news, and other updates from the realm of space exploration. Now, without further delay, let's embark on this journey. Number 1 is the enigmatic door-shaped fracture. On May 7, 2022, during the 3,466th Martian day, NASA's Curiosity Mars rover employed its mass camera, or MASCAM, to capture an intriguing rock formation referred to as East Cliffs. Situated on Mount Sharp, this mound displays several naturally occurring fractures, including one that resembles a door, measuring around 12 inches, 30 centimeters in height and 16 inches, 40 centimeters in width. Comparable in size to a dog door, these open fractures are commonplace in bedrock, both on Earth and Mars. Curiosity is currently investigating this region on Mount Sharp that may contain clues about a significant shift from wetter to drier conditions in Mars' early history. Number 2, we turn our attention to Ingenuity at Airfield D. On June 15, 2081, the 114th Martian day, the MASCAM-Z instrument aboard NASA's Perseverance rover captured an image of the Ingenuity Mars helicopter. This snapshot was taken at Airfield D, the fourth airfield on Mars, located east of the Cheetah Geologic Unit. Perseverance's mission encompasses astrobiology, including the quest for indications of ancient microbial life. The rover's tasks encompass characterizing the planet's geological features and past climate, paving the path for human exploration of Mars. Additionally, it marks the initial mission to collect and store Martian rock and regolith, shattered rock and dust, for detailed examination. Number 3, Martian surface. We find an assortment of frost types. Mars exhibits surface frost primarily composed of carbon dioxide. These frost formations appear bluish-white in images derived from the Thermal Emission Imaging System, TEMIS. TEMIS captures images in both visible light, discernible to the human eye, and heat-sensitive infrared. This interplay of frost and temperature provides a fascinating visual aspect of Mars. Number 4. The rover's back shell is our next focus. The image portrays Perseverance's back shell, positioned upright on the surface of Jezero crater. This image was taken by NASA's Ingenuity Mars helicopter during its 26th flight on April 19, 2022, at an altitude of 26 feet, 8 meters. Engineers associated with the Mars Sample Return Program requested these images to gain insights into the performance of components during the rover's entry, descent, and landing on February 18, 2021. Notably, the intricate network of cables emerging from the back shell, dusted with Martian particles, represents robust suspension lines that link the back shell to Perseverance's supersonic parachute. This tandem of the back shell and parachute acted as protective measures during the rover's space journey and its fiery descent to the Martian terrain. With number 5, continuing our exploration, we examine Perseverance's view of its parachute. The MASCAM-Z instrument on the rover captured an image of the parachute that facilitated Perseverance's safe landing on Mars. This photograph was taken on April 6, 2022, during the 401st Martian day. The parachute played a vital role in decelerating Perseverance's descent onto Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. The Mars 2020 Perseverance mission stands as a crucial element of NASA's Moon to Mars strategy, encompassing Artemis missions to the Moon, a preparatory phase for eventual human exploration of Mars. Number 6. Perseverance looks back at its tracks. On March 17, 2021, during the 381st Martian day, the rover gazed upon its wheel imprints left on the Martian surface. NASA, in partnership with the European Space Agency, ESA, intends to dispatch spacecraft to Mars to secure sealed samples of fragmented rocks and dust from the surface. These samples will subsequently be transported to Earth for in-depth analysis. Number 7. With the discovery of the first Martian flower. This minuscule rock artifact, resembling a flower, was captured by NASA's Curiosity Mars rover's Mars Hand Lens Imager, NHLI camera. This image was taken on February 24, 2022, during the 3,396th Martian day. The flower-like formation, accompanied by a spherical rock artifact, materialized eons ago when minerals transported by water fused to create these rocks. Curiosity's exploration has unveiled an array of similar small features, all formed by mineral-rich fluids traversing conduits within the rocks. These images facilitate a deeper understanding of the extended history of liquid water in Gale Crater. Exploring Martian landscapes. Number 8. Martian scenery in Santa Cruz. Rocks on Mars in the vicinity of Santa Cruz are featured in this image. NASA's Perseverance Mars rover captured this view of a hill within Mars's Jezero crater, named Santa Cruz, on April 29, 2021. This date marks the 68th Martian day of the mission, also known as Sol. The rocks, approximately 20 inches, 50 centimeters in diameter on average, are displayed in the foreground. Notably, the boulders within view are of a type called cache, a term borrowed from the Navajo language, meaning frog. Number 9. A glimpse of Kodiak. This enhanced color snapshot of Mars's Jezero crater was taken on April 18, 2021, by the MASCMZ instrument on NASA's Perseverance rover. The prominent flat-topped hill in the foreground, informally dubbed Kodiak, is situated 1.4 miles, 2.2 kilometers away from the rover. It spans a width of 820 feet, 250 meters, and reveals layers of ancient rock formations. These strata suggest a gradual buildup of sediment within a river delta, subsequently shaped by flooding. Number 10. Perseverance's selfie moment. Capturing a selfie, NASA's Perseverance Mars rover is seen here perched above a rock nicknamed rochette. This snapshot was taken on September 10, 2021, during the rover's 198th Martian day on the mission. Notably, 2 holes are visible in the image, where the rover employed its robotic arm to obtain core samples from the rock. The rover utilizes a camera known as Watson, or wide-angle topographic sensor for operations and engineering, mounted at the end of its 2-meter-long robotic arm for capturing such selfies. Number 11. The enigmatic Martian rock, rochette. This image showcases the Martian rock, known as rochette, captured by NASA's Perseverance rover on August 27, 2021. Shortly after abrading a circular patch named Bellegarde, which is around 0.39 inches, 10 millimeters, deep and 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in diameter, this image was taken. The rover's hazard avoidance cameras were responsible for capturing the snapshot on the 185th Sol, Martian day of the mission. The image was then processed to enhance contrast. Number 12. Mesmerizing dunes on Mars. The captivating dune field within Mars's Endurance crater is depicted in this image from NASA's Mars Exploration Rover, Opportunity. As the rover ventures deeper into the crater, the dunes become increasingly striking. This false color image, taken by the rover's panoramic camera, reveals that the crest of the dunes have accumulated more dust compared to the flanks and flat surfaces between them. Additionally, a blue tint is discernible on the flat surfaces, stemming from the presence of hematite-containing formations termed blueberries. Before venturing onto the dunes, rover drivers must ensure that the slope leading to them is stable enough to avoid the risk of becoming stuck, making the dune field a potential hazard. If you've enjoyed insights in this video, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Be sure to show your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button and joining our community of engaged viewers. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content, ensuring you never miss a moment of the exciting discoveries and discussions that lie ahead.